The Florida Institute of Ultrasound is one of the oldest sonography schools in the entire nation. A family-owned business since its inception, FIU has been creating competent diagnostic medical sonographers through our one-year accelerated program since 1976. Offering 4 instructors, 8 ultrasound machines, a host of clinical affiliates, and an almost 5,000 square foot facility, we have everything you need at the Florida Institute of Ultrasound to get your career to where you've always dreamed it could be. Institutionally accredited by the Accrediting Bureau of Health Education Schools and a recognized sonography educational program with the American Registry of Radiologic Technologists, FIU is licensed by the Florida Department of Education Commission for Independent Education. Plus, just look at our beaches.